Do you know which mammal has the longest gestation period? Now there's a question that might send your mind racing through a wildlife encyclopedia. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mammals, and the remarkable lengths of time some species carry their young before birth. This period, known as the gestation period, varies widely across the mammalian kingdom, with some lasting only a few weeks and others stretching to nearly 2 years. From the plains of Africa to the depths of the ocean, from the wild Australian outback to the frigid Arctic, we'll journey around the globe exploring the top 10 mammals with the longest gestation periods. It's a countdown that will take us into the heart of nature's most captivating stories of survival, adaptation, and the enduring bond between mother and offspring. So, are you ready for an adventure? Stay with us as we count down from the mammal with the 10th longest gestation period to the one with the longest. At the 10th spot, we have the horse. A horse's gestation period is quite fascinating, spanning about 11 to 12 months on average. It's a time of significant changes and growth, a testament to the wonders of nature. During this period, the mare or female horse undergoes remarkable transformations. The foal, while in the womb, develops from a tiny, almost invisible speck to a fully formed creature, ready to explore the world. Interestingly, mares can control the timing of the birth to some extent, often choosing to give birth at night when they sense a safer, quieter environment. This instinctual behavior harks back to their days in the wild, where nocturnal births offered better protection from predators. Moreover, the bond between a mare and her foal starts to develop during this gestation period, paving the way for the close-knit relationship they'll share post-birth. Now, let's gallop to the next mammal on our list. Coming in at number 9 is the donkey. Donkeys, known for their strong will and hard-working nature, carry an interesting fact when it comes to bringing new life into the world. Their gestation period extends from 12 to 14 months. Yes, you heard it right. A female donkey, or a jenny, carries her foal for about a year and 2 to 4 months, a remarkable feat in the mammal kingdom. During this long gestation period, the jenny needs extra care and nutrition to ensure the healthy development of the foal. It's a fascinating process, with the foal growing and developing in the mother's belly, preparing for its journey into the world. And when the time is right, a new life emerges, ready to roam the fields, bringing joy to those around. From the stubborn donkey we move to our next mammal. Our 8th position is held by the zebra. These creatures from the African savanna have a gestation period of about 12 to 13 months. That's right, a zebra mare carries her foal for over a year before giving birth. And here's a fascinating fact. Unlike many other animals, zebras don't have a specific breeding season. They can mate and conceive at any time of the year, which means baby zebras can be born in any season. Another intriguing facet of zebra pregnancy is that the mare will often separate from her herd close to the time of delivery, seeking out a safe and secluded spot to give birth. The newborn foal is up and running within an hour of birth, a vital survival tactic in the wild. This long gestation period contributes to the newborn's advanced state of development at birth. From the striped savanna, we now journey to the waters. Swimming into the 7th spot is the seal. These aquatic mammals, known for their playful nature and expressive eyes, have an intriguing gestation period of about 11 to 12 months. That's right, almost a year of carrying their young before giving birth. Seals aren't just ordinary mammals, their pregnancies are full of fascinating facts. For instance, did you know that some types of seals, like the gray seal, practice delayed implantation? This means that after conception, the fertilized egg will pause its development for a few months before attaching to the uterine wall. This cunning biological strategy allows the mother seal to time the birth of her pup with favorable environmental conditions, ensuring a higher survival rate. Moreover, seal mothers are known for their nurturing nature. After birth, they devote their time and energy to their pups, often fasting and losing considerable weight to nurse their young. From the chilly waters, we now move to the African plains. Stomping in at number 6 is the African elephant. This colossal creature holds the title for the mammal with the longest gestation period. Can you believe it's a staggering 22 months? That's almost 2 years. During this extended period, the calf develops fully before making its grand entrance into the world. A necessity given the challenging environment it's born into. To put it into perspective, that's nearly 3 times the length of a human pregnancy. These elephants aren't just carrying their young for an extended period of time, they're also giving birth to some of the largest babies in the animal kingdom. At birth, an African elephant calf can weigh a hefty 100 kilograms. That's about the size of a full-grown human. This enduring gestation period is a testament to the incredible strength and resilience of these majestic beasts. From the African elephant, we now move to the largest land mammal in North America. The fifth spot is taken by the American bison. A symbol of the American West, this majestic mammal has a gestation period that lasts around 9.5 months. Similar to humans, right? But here's a twist. Unlike us, the female bison, or cow, typically gives birth to just one calf at a time. Talk about exclusivity. During this gestation period, the cow remains very active, grazing and moving with the herd. The imminent birth is rarely noticeable until the cow isolates herself from the rest of the group. It is then that a new bison is brought into the world, ready to face the challenges of the wild. Interestingly, bison calves are quite precocious. Within just 2 hours of birth, they are on their feet and ready to run with the herd. Talk about a quick start to life. From the prairies of North America, we now travel to the Australian outback. Hopping into the fourth spot is the kangaroo. When we think about the gestation period of a kangaroo, we might be surprised to find that it's quite short, typically around 42 days. But here's where it gets interesting. After this brief gestational period, the magic of kangaroo motherhood truly begins. You see, the newborn joey, which is about as big as a lima bean, makes a remarkable journey from the birth canal to the mother's pouch. This is where it will continue to develop for the next 9 months. During this time, the joey will be completely dependent on its mother for nourishment and warmth. One of the fascinating aspects of kangaroo reproduction is that the female kangaroo has the ability to pause her pregnancy during harsh environmental conditions, a phenomenon called embryonic diapause. This ensures the survival of the joey, proving nature's incredible design for life's continuity. From the kangaroo, we now move to the top 3 mammals with the longest gestation periods. We are now at the top 3 mammals with the longest gestation periods. Let's kick off this trifecta with a journey to the arid deserts, home to the resilient camel. These fascinating creatures have a gestation period that spans between 13 and 14 months. Camels are known for their endurance and adaptability, traits that are reflected in their pregnancies. Did you know that female camels, known as she-camels, can delay their birth if conditions are not ideal? This remarkable adaptation ensures the survival of their offspring in harsh desert conditions. Next, we dive into the depths of the oceans to meet the sperm whale, the largest of the toothed whales. These majestic marine mammals carry their young for a staggering 14 to 16 months. This lengthy gestation is necessary to nurture the calf to a size that can survive the deep ocean's pressures. An interesting fact about sperm whale pregnancies is that mothers receive help from other female whales known as ants. These ants assist the mother during birth and even help raise the calf. It's a true testament to the power of community. Finally, we venture to the lush forests of Asia, where the Asian elephant resides. With a gestation period of an impressive 20 to 22 months, these gentle giants hold the record for the mammal with the longest known gestation period. This extended pregnancy allows the calf to develop the complex brain it needs to survive in the wild. An intriguing aspect of elephant pregnancies is that the mother can often be seen touching her stomach much like humans do. This suggests a deep bond between mother and unborn calf. From the arid deserts to the deep oceans and the verdant forests, these 3 mammals exhibit fascinating adaptations in their gestation periods, demonstrating the remarkable diversity of life on our planet. Standing at the top of our list is the Asian elephant, the mammal with the longest known gestation period. What a journey it has been. We've ventured through the wild, exploring the incredible world of mammals and their unique gestation periods. From the swift-footed horse to the humble donkey and the striking zebra, each with their distinct timelines, we've seen a wide spectrum of nature's wonders. We dived into the chilly waters with the seal, witnessed the majestic African elephant, and roamed the plains with the American bison. We hopped along with the kangaroo and discovered the endurance of the camel and the sperm whale. But standing tall and mighty, the crown holder is none other than the Asian elephant. With a gestation period extending up to a staggering 22 months, this gentle giant indeed takes its time, nurturing its young in the longest known pregnancy among the mammalian kingdom. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the animal kingdom. Remember, every creature has its unique timelines and nature always finds a way to amaze us.